Hi guys, welcome to the brand new video.
Hi guys. In this video we are going to upgrade the HP Probook 440G7. First we need remove all the screws. Then open back panel. In this video we are using SATA SSD to upgrade. You can use any brand SSDs as per your requirements. In this laptop we have M.2 slot also. If you need you can upgrade to that. And if you have M.2 SSD you can try upgrade that also. Some laptops are not compatibility with M.2 SSDs. I am upgrading to 1 TB storage. As per your requirements you can upgrade any amount of storage like 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB. Thank you for watching video. If you have any queries please let us know in comment section.